Hello children, in the yesterday's class you have learnt about face value and place value exercises. So today we are going to learn a new topic, expanded form and standard or short form. So here standard we will call the standard or short form. So in the expanded form means writing a number as the sum of the place values of its digit is called expanded form of that number. So we'll see an example here. The given number is 8745. So how to write here? Expanded form is sum of the place value and its given digit. So here the ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place. Here they have given one more example here. Here 84,536. So 8 into 10,000. If you didn't understand how to read means you have to put above the place value here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. From this you can read easily 84,536. So 8 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. So 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 6. Here 8 into 10,000 is 80,000, 4 into 1000 is 4,000, 5 into 100 is 500 plus 3 into 10 is 30 plus 6 into 1 is 6. So here one more example is there. So 4,56,923. So here if you didn't understand you have to put the place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 4,56,923. So 4 into 1 lakh 4 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 50,000 plus 6 into 1000 6,000 plus 9 into 100 900 plus 2 into 10 20 plus 3 into 1 3. So this is the expanded form. So standard form of a number is given by combining the face value of each digit at a correct place. So if they have given in the expanded form means they will give the expanded form. So we have to write in the short form, it's standard form. Here we have to combining the face value of each digit at the correct place. We have to write like a face value of each digit. So the standard form of the above expanded form is this is the expanded form. So for this expanded form we have to write the standard form 4,56,923. So we have to separate with the commas. So these three comes in the ones period, these two are in the thousands period, this one is in the lakh period. So we will do the exercise 1.2. Here write the following in expanded form. Here how to write in the expanded form? Here 47,250. So we have to write the first place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So how to write? Four into 10,000. 4 is in 10,000 place. So 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 0 into 1. So this will be written as 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 0. So here 6 digit numbers are there. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. If you didn't understand means above example I have given the place value, so that you have to write like that and do it like this. So 7 is in lakh place. So 7 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So how to write this one? 7 lakh plus 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 3. So here C bit, C and D bit, do it by yourself. I am giving as a homework. So move to the second bit. Write the following in standard form. Here they have given the expanded form. You have to write the standard form. So here 7 into how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros means lakh. Then 7 lakh. We'll write first like this. 7 lakh plus 8 into 1000 is 8 into 10,000 is 80,000. So 80,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 5. So equal to 7 lakh 8,200. Sorry, 7 lakh 82,965. So here we will write directly. I have shown the first example. So here I will write directly as a short form. So this is the short form. To understand purpose I have written like this, but answer is this one, 7,82,965. So here B bit 4 into, here how many numbers of zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 lakh plus 20,000. Here 4 zeros are there. 20,000 plus, here no 1000 place. 9 into 100. So 4 lakh 20,983. So 4 lakh, here put the comma, 4 lakh 20,983. So CBIT, here how many of 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6,80,000. Here 4 zeros are there. 6,80,000. Here also no thousand. So 6,80,490. 6,80,000. Put the commas. 490. So here move to the next topic, comparing numbers. Here already you have learnt about the comparing numbers. So here some rules are there to compare the numbers, different numbers of digits. Here to compare the numbers with the different numbers of digits. So here is the example. The numbers with most numbers of digits is greater. Here the numbers are given here. 5-digit number, here is the 5-digit number, and here is the 4-digit number. So obviously 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. So here is the 39,526. So here is the 8,424. So obviously the 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. So 39,526 has 5-digit number and 8,424 has 4-digit number. So 39,526 is greater than 8,424. So here is the 5-digit, here is the 6-digit number, and here is the 5-digit number. So obviously 6-digit number is greater than the 5-digit number. So this is one rule. So if we have the, wherever you see the digits, for first part you have 5-digit number and the second part you have 4-digit number. So you have to assume 5-digit number is greater than the 4-digit number. So this is the first rule. So first rule is, if we have here one side you have 4-digit number, and other side you have 3-digit number. So which one is the greater number here? Obviously 4-digit number is greater, no? So here 4-digit number is greater. So this is the greater sign. So greater sign is this one. So in the second rule, we'll see the second rule. What is the second rule? Same number of digits. Okay, if we have the same number of digits, both sides, if you have 6-digit number, 6-digit number, so both numbers are 6-digit number. So we have to compare with the left side of the number. Here left side of the number is in the lakh place. What is the number here? 5. Here in the lakh place, what is the number here? 8. So 5 is less than 8. So which one is the greatest here? So this one is the greatest. So 5 is less. So 5,64,764 is less than 8,58,487. So this is the less than sign. So this is the less than sign. So second rule is, if we have both sides have the same number of digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6-digit number, and here also 6-digit number. So if both the digits are same, here also 6 digit number, here also 6 digit number. So we have to compare with this starting number. Here the left side number is 2 and in the second number left side number is 1. Sorry, we'll take here 1, we'll take here 2. So here left side number is 1, here left side number is 2. So here 1, here 2. So 1 is less than 2. So this number is less than this number. So what we have to write here? What sign we have to put here? Less than sign. So this is the less than sign. So 1 is less than 2. So this is the less than sign. This number is less than this number. So this is the less than sign. Move to the again, here is the second example. Same, here also 6 digit number, here also 6 digit number. So left side, here is in the lakh place we have number 9. Here also in the lakh place we have number 9. So both the numbers are equal. So move to the next place value. So next place value have number 3. Here have number 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So this number is greater than this number. So 9,38,769 is greater than 9,17,654. So this is the greater sign. Here we have an example. Here 3,69,874 people travel by train on Sunday. Here this much people are travel by train on Sunday, and 3,58,923 people travel by aeroplane on the same day. On the same day 3,58,923 people travel by aeroplane. So which transport was used more by travelers? So here mark by periods. Here by train how many people went? 3,69,874. By aeroplane how many people went? 3,58,923. Both the numbers are same, no? 6 digit number, 6 digit number. So we have to compare with the left side of the digit. Here also 3, here also 3. So both the numbers are same, 3, 3. So move to the next place value. Here is the 6 and here is the 5. So 6 is greater than 5. So this number is greater than this number. So 3,69,874 is greater than 3,58,923. So here in the 10,000 place they compare, they both are different numbers. So here 3 lakh, here they have given the less than sign. Otherwise you have to this is also correct. Whatever I said, that is also correct. So 3,69,874 is greater than 3,58,923. So third, the train was used more by travelers. So the train people have traveled more. So here we have to write, third, the train was used more by the traveler. Here the ascending and descending orders. Here ascending orders and descending orders you have learnt in the class 3. So ascending means ascending order, how to arrange in the ascending order, smallest number to the biggest number, and the descending orders means largest number to the smallest number, greatest number to the smallest number. So here is the example. Using a place value chart, arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending orders. So here 63,215, here 4,02,000, 2365, and next number is 23,651, and next number is 5,23,691. And here they have given the place value chart. From this place value chart we have to place all the values in the place value chart. Here 63,215, 4,02,365, 23,651, 5,23,691. So this have 5 digit number, and this is the 6 digit number, and this is the 5 digit number, this is the 6 digit number. So they both are the 6 digit number, and this one and this one are the 5 digit number. So ascending means smallest number to the biggest number. So smallest numbers means we have to compare with this number with this number. So here we have to see the place values. Here is the 6, here is the 2. So 2 is less number. So this is the first number, 23,651, and next number is 63,215. So first number is 23,651, next number is 63,215. So I will show in the here number 6 we have to compare with the number 6 with the number 2. Here number 2 is less than number 6. So 23,651 is less than 63,215. So first number is 23,651, next number is 63,215. So we have to compare with these two are in the 6 digit number. So compare with 4 with 5. So 4 is less than 5. So obviously the next number is 4,02,365, and the next number is 5,23,691, and the next number is this is in the ascending order. This is the ascending order, and the next is the descending order. Descending order means greatest number to the smallest number, reverse of the ascending order. So here the greatest number is, we have to compare with the greatest number. So here is the 6 digit number, here is these two are in the these two are the 6 digit number, and these two are the 5 digit number. So first we have to compare with the 6 digit number. So 5 is greater than 4. So greatest number is 5,23,691. And the next greatest number is 4,02,365, and compare with the 5 digit number. Here is the so here is the number 6, and here is the number 2. So number 6 is greater than number 2. So 63,215 is greater than 23,651. So 63,215, next is 23,651. Hope all are clear with ascending and descending order. We'll do the exercise 1.3. Here mark the periods and compare using less than, greater than or equal to sign in the blanks. First we have to mark the periods. So we have putting the place value. So here 96,321. So 96,321 and the next value is 75,632. So we have to, both the digits are same, 5 digit, 5 digit. So we have to compare with the left side. 10,000 place, here is the 9, here is the 7. So 9 is greater than 7. So we have to put here 96,321 is greater than 75,632. So we have to put here greater sign. So this is the A bit. This is the B bit. So in the B bit, sorry, so B bit 85,632. So here is the 5 digit number. So here 8,56,320. So here is the 6 digit number. So 5 digit number, 6 digit number. So 5 digit number is greater or 6 digit number is greater? Obviously 6 digit number is greater. As you studied in the comparison first rule, here is a 6 digit number. So 85,632 is less than, here we have to put the less than sign. So C bit, do it by yourself, I am giving as a homework. So write the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means greatest number to the smallest number. So here we have to draw the place value chart and we have to put all the numbers here. So here first number is 20,559. So here we have placed the first, here 19,618. So 19,680. 54,187, 54,187, 65,781, 65,781. So here we have to compare the, here all are 5 digit numbers. So compare 2 with 1. So which one is the greatest number here? Compare with 2 with 1. So 2 is greatest here. So compare 2 with 5. So 5 is greater than 2. So compare 5 with 6 here. So 6 is greater than 5. So here, 65,781 is greater number. And next number compare with 2 with 1. So 2 is the greatest. So compare 2 with 5. So 5 is the greatest. So 54,187 is the next greatest. 54,187. So compare 2 with 1. So 2 is the greatest. So 20,549 is the greatest. So remaining is 19,680. So the B bit, do it by yourself. I am giving as a homework. You'll see the third question. Write the following numbers in ascending orders. So here the given number is 23,658, 78,965, 63,254, 78,966. So here all the digits are same. So here we have to arrange in the ascending order. So ascending means smallest number to the greatest number. So compare with 2 with 7. So 2 is smaller than 7. So again compare with 2 with 6. So 2 is smaller than 6. Again compare 2 with 7. So 2 is smaller number here. So smaller number is 23,658. So again compare 7 with 6. So 7 is the greatest number. So compare 7 with 7. Both are equal. So move to the next place. Here compare with 8 with 8. So here also 8, here also 8. Both are same. So move to the next place. Here also in the 100 place 9. Here also 9. So both are same. Move to the next place. Here is 6. Here is 6. Here also both are same. So here is 5. Here is 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So 78,966 is greatest number. So compare with, we have to write the smallest number, no? Here 7 is greater than 6. So compare 6 with 7. So again 6 is smaller than 7. So next smaller number is 63,254. So again here compare with 7 and 7. So 5 is, so up to here both the numbers are same. In all the places both the numbers are same. In the ones place here is the 5, here is the 6. So 5 is smaller than 6. So 78,965 is less than 78,966. So next number is 78,966. So B bit, do it by yourself. I am giving as a homework. Okay, I think all are understood. I will stop the class now. Thank you, children.